Unbelievable guys, I have created this amazing looking stunning website using Antigravity AI with the help of Novamira plugin, okay? And I am going to show you how can you create this kind of stunning website in minutes using AI. So AI is not just limited to the HTML and React websites. It can now create the WordPress websites as well with the help of AI agents. So if you want to know how can you create this kind of amazing looking WordPress website all by yourself using just free tools, then make sure to watch this complete video till the end. Okay, so let's get started. So in order to create a WordPress website using AI, the tool we are going to use is named Novamira. I will put the link into the description. It's an MCP server that connects your AI agent like Antigravity or Claude to your WordPress website with full access, uploads and everything else. It can create pages for us, it can activate plugins for us and everything else like uploading images and all. So let's click on download zip. It will download the free version of the plugin. Okay, after that let's go to our WordPress website and let's upload the free version of the MCP server plugin Novamira. Okay, let's click on choose file. Let's upload the file over here. Let's click on open and after that install now. Let's install and activate this plugin. After that I will show you the next steps. This plugin is completely insane guys and it's taking the industry by storm. Okay, let's activate the plugin because now the WordPress is going to be AI powered. Okay, let's update the plugin and after that we will be able to see the Novamira option available into our WordPress admin dashboard. Let's click on it and enable AI abilities for it. Let's turn it on and let's click on save changes so that the AI abilities can be on for this website. After that, make sure to generate an application password which will be needed to communicate with the MCP to the AI server. Okay, and after that let's copy this prompt, or there is one more way to integrate is using the JSON file. Okay, so we will now integrate our anti-gravity AI with this WordPress website using Novamira server. Okay, so let's open the MCP config file over here using the VS Code editor and let's paste the JSON codes provided by the Novamira plugin. Okay, let's paste it here and after that let's save this file. Amazing. After saving the file, let's open a blank folder into Antigravity I just created named WordPress website. After that, I will copy the same configuration and give it to Antigravity so that it can verify the changes we have made into the configuration file. Mainly, I want to double check because I am doing for the first time. Okay, so I will ask the Antigravity that verify the MCP configuration and let me know if there is any error or fix it. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Okay, so anti-gravity found some problems with the codes that we have some extra spaces, I guess. So it is going to fix the codes. We just need to accept all the changes. Okay, and fix will be applied, and so our code and MCP server should be working completely fine. Now let's try to create a new page to verify that the MCP server and basically our WordPress website and the anti-gravity has been connected or not. Okay, so let's type a simple prompt that create a page named test page and it should be able to create a page into our WordPress website. Okay, so now Antigravity is using the MCP server of Novamira to communicate with our WordPress website, which is insane guys. Okay, so our page has been created. Let's verify it now, and here we can see our test page. Okay, let's view it. And amazing, as we can see a message that this is a test page created using Novamira server. Let's try something more complex now. Let's try to create a full home page, a fully fledged beauty salon home page for a business website. Okay, let's copy the prompt into the anti-gravity and ask it to use the Novamira MCP server to communicate with our WordPress website and create this complete page and make it as a home page. Okay, so everything is mentioned in the prompt. We just need to ask it to use Novamira server and hit enter. And great, it will now start building the complete plan to execute in order to create this WordPress website. Okay, so let's wait for it and verify the implementation plan. It will also create all the images using Gemini model. Okay, so this is the biggest advantage of using Antigravity rather than a Claude directly, because we are using the Claude model as well for running our commands, and this we will have the access to Gemini as well to create the images. So we will have the images, the website and everything, the pages will be completely ready. We won't need to put the images manually into our design. So that's a great approach. Okay, so I will highly encourage you guys to use the anti-gravity with Novamira rather than using Claude and or anything directly. Okay, if you want to have the images as well. So let's wait for it while it's generating the images for us. And amazing, we have got our images ready and the implementation plan. Okay, so let's give it a simple command that use Novamira MCP and proceed with the implementation plan to create the website. And let's wait for it while it executes all of its plan and create an amazing looking website for us. So it's checking all the dependencies, the website and everything else, and we have got the success message that our page has been created. Let's view our website and see how it goes. Let's click on visit site. Oh my goodness, just look at this. This is looking insane, guys. We have created this WordPress website using AI. Am I into a dream or something? This is looking amazing, guys. A beautiful, stunning website with all the sections like services, pricing, gallery and everything else. Okay, the about section. Oh my goodness, it's looking amazing and insane, guys. Okay, we have beauty before and after images sections as well. Okay, and the grid pop-up sections. Okay, amazing. The transparent pricing section, testimonials. Okay, amazing. Just look at these animations and hover effects. Okay, we have the testimonial sections as well. We can simply modify this website however we want. We just need to ask the anti-gravity to do any kind of modification. So we are basically creating the website, the WordPress website with the power of AI. We have the booking form as well. Okay, and we can ask for any kind of changes using AI on a WordPress website, which is completely insane. And we can use any kind of plugins on top of this for the SEO, for security purposes, speed optimization and everything else. Let's click on edit page and see how the Novamira and Antigravity structured this page. Okay, so it's using Gutenberg editor. This is what I have asked into the prompt, so it's completely fine. Okay, so as I can see, I guess it's an HTML widget. It's using, okay, it's using the HTML codes into the Gutenberg HTML blocks. Okay, so we can simply click on edit button, edit code button, and we will be able to edit this website. Yeah, we can see the edit code button. Okay, so we can edit this website however we want, or we can simply ask the AI to do all the heavy liftings and do the necessary editings for us. For example, if we want to change any images, text, links or anything else. Okay, in the next video maybe I will ask it to use the Gutenberg blocks more strictly rather than HTML code, so that we will have the visual editor right in front of us into this WordPress editor. Okay, so it will be more easy for beginners who don't know anything about coding to edit this kind of website. Or the other way, we can simply ask the anti-gravity to make the changes. So basically we have both the options available. Okay, otherwise this website is looking insane, guys. Okay, and I am really loving it how the industry is going to be changed after this kind of MCP servers releases, which can directly interact with the AI and WordPress website developments. Okay, so we have everything, the column options, the pages and everything else visible here, and it's completely insane, guys. Okay, so what's your thoughts about this kind of recent releases, this kind of technology advancement in the WordPress website development journey? Let me know into the comments and let me know how you like this website. Maybe I will create a next video using Elementor page builder as well, Let me know in the comments if you want the complete tutorial using Elementor as well. I will do it for sure if we have enough comments on that topic. Okay, so other than that, this website is looking amazing, the beautiful, stunning, everything is the CSS, HTML, the codes are clean and everything. Okay, so I hope you have liked this video so far. If you have liked it, then make sure to like this video, comment on this video and share it with your friends and family so that they can start their online website development journey using AI. I will meet you guys in the next videos. Till then, thank you very much.